Welcome to watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel for the new people and like this the good videos talking about jobs. The people all around the world need the job. Why do you need a job? Okay, now we can watch the video that these people need jobs. Now they show about their schedules, experience for answer the question above.
Hello, I'm 16 now, and my parents don't give me an allowance anymore. I want to earn some money, because I like to go out with my friend on the weekend. I go to school at 8 o'clock, and get home around 4:30. My parents own a restaurant, so I know a little about restaurant work.
Hell, I study French and want to be a teacher someday. I have classes all day on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and on Wednesday and Friday afternoon. I usually study on weekends. I need a job because college is really expensive. I don't have any experience, but I'm a fast learner. My husband is an accountant and makes good money, but we don't save very much. We live in a small apartment, and we have a new baby. We want to save money to buy a house. I take care of the baby, so I need a job I can do at home. I can type well, and I have a new computer.